This video is a full guide on how to go around Pegasys protocol. I'm going to show you how you can get SYS from your centralized exchanges and then bridge it over to Metamask, okay, for you to be able to carry out transactions on Pegasys protocol. All right, so it's going to be very informative and it's going to be very lengthy. And one of the reasons why I'm going to talk about this is because by doing the steps in this video, you are going to be eligible for its potential airdrop. No, it's not potential though, because it was actually confirmed by the team that they are going to launch the exchange and then early users are going to be airdropped. Okay, so if you want to be part of these people that will be airdropped, watch this video to the end, because I'm also going to be talking about the testnet which you can participate in. All right, which could also put you in a better position to be airdropped. All right, so very quickly, I'm going to talk about Pegasys, okay? Now, Pegasys protocol is a leading DEX protocol on Syscoin, okay? It was launched on Syscoin. And I really like the way it was, their Twitter is and all of that, yeah? Though they have just 7,000 followers and 56 tweets. But then, yeah, it was started in November 2021. And as part of my fundamental analysis, I always go to the bottom of the tweet, okay, to find what's their first tweet, like how did they start and what was their priority when they started. You understand? Now you've seen a lot of project that comes in and starts shilling immediately during this pre-sale and all of that, yeah. But right now, Pegasys came in with a retweet from Pegasys, okay. I don't know how you pronouncing it before. Have you saying Pegasys or Pegasys? I don't even know if Pegasys is correct. Okay, but then yeah, they retweeted a tweet from Syscoin, and it was a guess like, okay, what's going to be the new ecosystem that we are going to partner with, okay, and then they came out with a retweet of the fact Pegasys is going to be built on Syscoin chain, all right, a protocol, yeah. Now, it's quite interesting how they've moved on and all of that. And there's been the testnet that that was launched on January 11th, and it's still on right now. Okay, you can do the testnet, leave your reviews and all of that, yeah, on the Discord channel, right? Now, Pegasys was founded by Polium. All right, so you can do your own research about the team. I think it's solid and all of that. So I think it's a long-term project for me and all of that. Yeah, do your fundamental analysis or do your technical. Just do your research on all of this. Yeah, it's your decision if you want to go in on this project. Yeah, and so right now I'm just going to be taking you through Pegasys, right from how you can get tokens from Binance, which I'm going to be using, all right, all the way to how you are going to bridge these tokens for you to be able to trade on Pegasys, right? Now, the first thing first, okay, if you come on this Pegasys app, DEX, okay, app.pegasus.finance, link in the description. You're going to have to connect your wallet, and when you connect your wallet, you'll be prompted to add Syscoin mainnet to your Metamask, okay, which you're going to confirm and all of that. Yes, and you have it there. All right, but if you do not, okay, you can come over to Chainlink and search for Syscoin. All right, so you have the mainnet and the testnet networks. All right, so we are going to come over to the testnet network, okay, but for now we are going to add the mainnet network to Metamask, okay. That's very simple. Now you have to come over to all we need to do now is to get Syscoin on your centralized exchange, okay. You can get it from Binance or whatsoever. If you check CoinMarketCap, you find the various exchanges listed on. All right, so so you're going to get it from those exchanges and send it over to you're meant to send to Metamask, but no. All right, so this is the reason why you need this guide. All right, you might think that you're going to send this direct to Metamask, okay, for the fact that yeah, I've added Syscoin mainnet to Metamask, and I already have the Syscoin asset showing on my Metamask, okay, like this, okay. But no, you do not have Syscoin. I mean, you can't just send directly, okay? Because if I copy this address and I go over to um, Binance and I say, okay, let me withdraw this. If I provide the address here, I'm going to get this error message. The withdrawal address format is wrong. Please check the withdrawal address length and character context and try again. All right. So where am I meant to send this to? Okay. Where am I meant to send this to? You're going to be sending it to Pali Wallet. All right. You'll be sending it to Pali Wallet. Now, the link to Pali Wallet is going to be in the description. So do well to hit the link, or yeah, hit the link in the description. Okay. What you need to do is to download, tap the download, okay, and then you download for either Chrome or Firefox, whichever you use. I use Chrome, okay, and then you're going to add the extension, the extension, the Chrome extension, okay, to Chrome. That's the Pali extension to Chrome, yes. So I'm just going to do that very quickly with you. Add the extension. Okay, so it has been added to Chrome already. So I just need to set that up. All right, get started, and then I'll just choose a password. So next that, and then password set fully. I mean, successfully set password. Successfully set your password. Yeah, check. Next, and that will work with will copy the recovery phrase and save it somewhere. Please write your recovery phrase in a book. Write it in a journal. Okay, do not save it on any online platform whatsoever. Okay, so I'm just going to jot down mine, and I'll get back to you once I'm done. So once done, you validate that you've written down your seed phrase, and now your wallet is ready. Okay, so this is how to get a wallet on Pali network, which you are going to be sending your SYS into from Binance. Okay, now now I'll go over to withdraw now I'll copy the address first on Pali, which is this. Okay, okay, I'll copy the Pali address first. I'll tap receive, and then I'll copy this address, and then I'll go over to Binance, provide the address there, and Binance should accept that now. Good. Okay, Syscoin. Now I was able to get 14 SYS. Okay, you'll be charged 1 SYS as fee. You withdraw that, and then you'd do the verification process and all of that. Yeah, so I'll get back when I'm done. Withdrawal request submitted. All right, so complete, and then so as you can see, I have this processing in my wallet, and it's not showing on asset yet. All right, so I just got about $10 worth of SYS. All right, guys, so this is in my wallet right now. Okay, as you can see, 13 Cs. Okay, now what's going to happen is that this is that we got from, what happens is that this is that we got from Binance is the native token. Okay, but the one that is compatible with Metamask is the NEVM. Yeah, is the NEVM SYS. Okay, so what we need to do is that we need to bridge this SYS to NEVM, okay, that's compatible with MetaMask, all right, which is also compatible with Pegasys, okay. So what we're going to do is you open your browser, and then you search on .syscoin.org, all right. The link to this bridge is going to be in the description. Please use it, okay, so you don't make mistakes. So what we do is we'll tap this first one. It's already gave me this error message, so I'm just going to try this again. Fine, not working. So I'll just reduce this to 12. Try to burn that. Okay, so fine, I can't use everything in my wallet. All right, so let me reject that and let me do 12.5. All right, good. I'll sign that, and as you can see, success. Okay, So okay, please note, do not sign, do not burn all the token in your wallet here. And then this is the Syscoin bond transaction ID. So you wait for it, you wait a little bit for it to be confirmed on the blockchain, and then you do finish. Okay, so the transaction was successfully completed. You can use your SYSX. Okay, you can view your transaction here. Let's view that. Okay, as you can see, it says unconfirmed. Okay, so we'll wait for it to confirm first, and then we'll continue with the next step, which is bridging from SYSX to NEVM. All right, I'll reload this to see if it's confirmed. I guess you have to wait some more. I'll be back. Okay, now guys, transaction confirmed. Okay, now the next step is if you come over to this place, as you can see, it's complete. So we'll go back. Okay, now we'll close this. Now remember that we've moved from SYS to SYSX. Now we need to move from SYSX to NEVM. But before I do that, I'll come over to Syscoin authenticated faucet. Okay, the address is faucet.syscoin.org. Okay, link is in the description. And then I'll read this part. Okay, it says to request funds via Twitter, make a tweet with your NEVM address pasted into the contents. Okay, and it says copy paste the tweet URL into the above input box and fire away. Now what you're going to do is you're going to tap this tweet here, this tweet link, and then we are going to tweet. Note that you have to copy your MetaMask address. Okay, so if you tap on your MetaMask, you copy your address, and then you would come over to Twitter, and then you're going to take out all of this. Okay, to paste in your address. Okay, so once you do that, you tweet that. All right, and then you can view your tweet because you're going to copy the link and provide the link in the faucet box. So you share that and copy link to tweet. Come over to the faucet box, page, and then paste that link here, and then send give me sys. Then tap this. All right, fund requested and fund request accepted for VMorgan Tech. Good. All right, so as you can see, VMorgan a few seconds ago, and it should be in my wallet any time from now. All right, so it's going to be on the mainnet. Note that this faucet that I'm receiving now is different from the faucet of the testnet. Okay, both links are going to be in the description, but they are different. Okay, as you can see, this faucet web page is different from this faucet page. Okay, this is for the testnet, but this is for the mainnet. All right, so I'm still expecting that, so I'll continue with the next phase. So guys, I kid you not, this took a while before it arrived, so you might have to be patient for this. Okay, the next is for you to go back to this bridge.syscon.org. Okay, and then you go to the next step. Okay, which is SYX to NEVM. Okay, now what you're going to do is we are bridging these tokens. Okay, so the first is to enter the asset GUID, and this is it here. So you copy, I just type in 12345 and then the amount is 12.5, like I have in my wallet. 12.5 SYS, and then the NEVM address is going to be your Metamask wallet address. Okay, so just go over to Metamask and copy that. Okay, and then paste that here and burn. All right, so we'll sign this transaction. Okay, you can follow your transaction under the activities and on your account screen. Okay, and then success. Okay, so this is the Syscoin bond transaction ID. You tap next. So you can see the button below, we get the Syscoin transaction SPV proof. Okay, from Syscoin Core. Okay, so we'll wait for the transaction to complete, and if you come over to your wallet, you would see that transaction is still processing. So as soon as it's done, we'll submit SPV proofs. So stay patient. So guys, I just confirmed that the transaction is done. And as you can see on the blockchain, on the Explorer, it's done. So I'll come and submit SPV proof. And as you can see, SPV proof was successfully saved. Okay. Then I'll go next. And then the below button will submit the SPV proof to the relay contract. Good. So we are submitting to Metamask right now. So we submit that. And then we'll log in to Metamask, and this is where you are going to pay a little bit of fee, okay, that's the first account. Connect that. All right, and now try again, authorizing with Metamask. As you can see, I'll be paying 0.001 SYS. Confirm that you're on the mainnet, please. Then you confirm that. All right, so please wait while the transaction is being mined. All right, so we bound and now we are mining. Sure. So once this is done, we're going to finish this, and we would have our SPS, the SPY, no, SYS, yeah, our SYS on Metamask ready for transaction. So this takes a little bit of time, but you have to wait through it. If you come over to Metamask, you'll find that your contract is interacting. So if you tap that and then you view on Explorer, this is NEVM Explorer, you're going to see that your transaction is pending and unconfirmed. Okay, so you wait till it's confirmed. As you can see, confirmed on the Explorer, and then success on Syscoin or SYS coin. Okay, so finish this and your transaction was successfully completed, blah 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 blah. Okay, you can view the transaction which we viewed already, and that is it. So if I go over to my Metamask, the token is in my wallet. All right, so guys, this is how to switch from SYS token, which you find on your centralized exchange, which is also the native token of Syscoin. Okay, this is how you switch it to the NEVM version. Should I call it the version? Yeah. So this is how you switch it to what is compatible on Metamask, and which is what you are going to be using to swap, trade, and provide liquidity and all of that on Pegasys Finance. Okay, so now we are going to go right into it. This is Pegasys. Okay, this is what we are doing. Okay, this is what is going to affect our ability to get airdrops. All right, if you look at this tweet, this info from Discord, it says that the only thing that we know and can share is that users who add significant liquidity to the pool and or perform multiple considerable swaps in the DEX will be eligible for a proportional PSYS airdrop. All right, PSYS airdrop. Now, PSYS is the native token for Pegasys. Okay, so for you to claim that, for you to get that, you need to swap, provide liquidity, and all of that. Okay, so we're going to swap right now. So I'm just going to swap from SYS to PSYS. I'll just I don't know what the converting factor is. There's insufficient liquidity for this trade. Okay, so I'll just go with DAI. All right, so I'm just going to swap this. Confirm swap. I mean, I'm doing this in bits because I want to perform multiple transactions. As you can see, the fee is very negligible. Okay, so I would love to carry out multiple transactions so as to, as it says in that picture I showed, that Discord message I showed you. You need to perform this transaction repeatedly. Okay, so that's done. And view this on the Explorer. Yes, as you can see, Syscoin Explorer still pending. and all of that. So this is what you just need to do. Okay, swap. Okay, do multiple trades, and then come over to pool and then provide liquidity. All right, so you need to provide a significant liquidity to the protocol. I don't feel like I have a significant liquidity to add. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that. It says significant liquidity to the protocol and or perform. Okay, so it's either you do one or the above, or you do both of them. You can decide to swap more or add liquidity. It depends on you, it depends on your funds and all of that. So yeah, so for you to add liquidity, you come by a tap add liquidity. So you're going to be splitting your liquidity into 50-50, into two, okay, into half. Okay, 50% goes to one and 50% goes to the next. For example, we want to provide liquidity for SYS and USDC. All right, so I'll just type USDC and then I have SYS and USDC. This transaction is still pending. I should have added a little bit of liquidity, but then you just provide your amount. Okay, perhaps you want to do for $20, and you know this is the amount you have in your SYS, which is going to be enough. $20 is going to be enough, so it's 50-50. Then it's sufficient. Okay, but over here it's going to tell you to add liquidity and all of that. Okay, now for this farm part, this farm is not working right now. Stake not working right now on the mainnet, but these parts are working on the testnet. Okay, so this is this for the mainnet. I hope if you do this, you'll be qualified for the airdrop. Okay, one successful, one not successful. So I'll just view this of the explorer and transaction error reverted. Okay, execution reverted. So that's okay. I'll do that later. Then we'll go to the next. We'll go to the airdrop. Okay, now you find this in the description of this video. You can copy this out to do it on your own, but then yeah, what you need to do is to use this link, testnet.pegasys.finance. Okay, and once you open that, you come over to Chainlink. I told you about Chainlink already. Where is it? Okay, I mean Chainlist. Okay, Chainlist. You connect your wallet to Chainlist. Okay, and then you add this Syscoin tenant boam. Let's spell it well. Whatsoever. You add the Syscoin Testnet network to Metamask. It's quite simple. Tap that and all right. So we're going to switch network. So on the testnet, I really do not know why my swap is coming on the testnet. It's crazy, but yeah. So what we are going to do is we are going to claim Faucets, which is from here. Okay, we'll claim Faucets, and what we are going to do just the same way we did earlier. We made a tweet, so we'll do a tweet too. Then we'll paste the address here. Tweet, view, copy link to tweet, go over to a Faucet site, paste the link, give me SYS, do this, and fund requested. Okay, funding request accepted. Okay. All right, so you're going to receive the testnet tokens here, and then you go back to the testnet to the D app, and then you carry out swap. Okay, you swap from SYS to, so let's use DAI. Okay, DAI has no liquidity. Do SYS for USDC, and then we'll swap that. Okay, I really do not know why we have 110 USDC here though. I mean, that's not the real words. So I don't understand this proportion. I mean, I don't know what it's about. Yeah, so transaction submitted, and we'll close that. On pending. All right, guys. So this transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain as successful. Okay, and then if I go back and I select token USDC, as you can see, I have 100 over here. All right, so that's it. Yeah, so we'll go over to pool now. But it's strange right now because I've not actually added any liquidity. All right, I didn't add any liquidity, so I'll just add liquidity. Yeah, then I'll do see successful there, and I'll just do 650. So much. I'll do 30 USDC. I'll approve. All right, give permission, confirm. Okay, so I'll approve this transaction. I'll approve WSYS first. Okay, confirm. Okay, so supply and confirm supply. Alright, transaction submitted and it's pending right now. Okay, so we've added liquidity. Then we'll close that, and we can actually view our liquidity so far. Now here is staking. So let's do farming first, okay? And then we can. Okay, so from my liquidity pool, this is how much I have unclaimed, okay, for my from my liquidity, okay? So I can claim that and then stake that. Confirm. Transaction submitted. I really do not know how long this is going to take, guys. I mean, this takes a lot of time for real. I don't know how long it takes to process this transaction, but for every transaction I've done, I have to wait for like 10-20 minutes, and that's really that's messed up. We can deposit we'll come over here and we'll okay, so when we come over to stake, we'll come over to stake PSYS tokens. Okay, and this is what we claimed earlier. So we'll do max and then we'll approve to stake this. Okay, so we'll confirm that on Metamask and wait for that to approve. Takes a lot of time. I don't know why this changed. All right, so we signed this transaction. And then deposit. All right, transaction submitted, and that is it. Okay, so we've staked the PSYS that we found, and that's basically all of it that has to do with this testnet. Okay, this is everything that has to do with the testnet. So feel free to go over to the Discord channel. Okay, go over to the Discord, and then go over to feedbacks. Okay, if you go over to feedbacks, you can include your feedback for you can talk about what you experienced, give your reviews. If you want to send screenshots. Okay, give your reviews about what you found on this while using this protocol DEX. Yeah, so it can be reviewed. I really don't know if there's any reward for this testnet though, but it's cool for you to test their network and I mean have fun doing it. So guys, if you like this content, smash the subscribe button. I mean smash it. Yeah, smash the button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop contents like this. All right, and say something nice in the comment section. Thanks for the time, guys. Ciao ciao.